Hi class, in this video we're going to talk about number 7 on your chapter 1 mind type homework. So it's talking about the trade-off between inflation and unemployment. Now this is the last one of your 10 principle in economics in chapter 1. What you need to remember is that there is always a trade-off between how much money that's available in the economy and how many jobs we have in the economy. Now, suppose in the question says, suppose the government believes the economy is not producing goods and service at an optimum level. Now, if the economy is producing below what we want it to be, that means some resources left unused, especially labors. So, if any time economy is producing below the optimum level, we have unemployment. That means people are not working. So, in an attempt to stimulate the economy, the government can increase the quantity of money. So let's see how this really works. Imagine the government says that whatever money you have, we're going to double it. So right away you have more money. Now if you have more money, what are you going to do with it? Well, obviously spend it, right? Because the more money you have, the more stuff you want to buy. So by giving everybody more money, you're going to spend more money, which means the demand in the economy goes up. So demand goes up, we buy more good, company hire more laborers, then unemployment goes down. So let's answer the question. So this question says this monetary policy, which will, let me see, this should be increase the demand for goods and service. Since since it really says right here, it says government increase the quantity of money. So more money we have, the more goods and service we want to buy. So this monetary policy will increase demand for goods and service, leading to increase of price of the good. The reason why that we're going to have a higher price for the good, imagine we only have a limited amount of goods and service that we can buy from. If everybody all want to buy it, then we're going to beat the price higher, because there's only limited supply for it. So that's why price will become higher. Now, if price become higher, this is the definition for inflation. Higher prices, inflation; lower prices, deflation. So let's continue. Increase in the demand for goods and service, leading to increase in price of the good. In the short run, the change in price induce company to produce more of the good. Because really, if you're the company and then you see all of a sudden that the demand for your goods and service goes up, then for the companies, they want to produce more to meet up the demand. So in turn, when company produce more goods and service, they have to hire more labor. So in turn, this will lead to a lower level of unemployment. Now, the last part is as in other words, economy faces a trade-off between inflation and unemployment. Higher inflation, which means higher prices, will lead to a lower unemployment. Okay, so this is the answer for number 7 in our chapter 1. Now let's see how we do. So good now. We got all good. Okay, so this is how you do number 7. Now, if you have any question, let me know. Send me email. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.